Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Klarus. Now this here is their P2. Now I was sent this new flashlight from Klarus directly. They wanted me to feature it here on my channel. Comes in this box. Up to 1,000 lumens. This is more of a Penlight. This is a complete kit, so let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. A lot of goodies in here. And you got a brochure of more of Klarus products. One user manual. Now this specs are a little on the small side, so I'll post them on screen for you now. As you can see, 1,000 lumens is possible with this light. Front and back on the user manual, multi-language. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise we're going to move along. One USB Type-C charging cable. And I just want to make sure, yep, there's 2 O-rings and 1 lanyard in here. Just go ahead and take the light out of here. Pretty lightweight on that. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. And there it is. It's compact. A little bit thicker than some of the Penlights I've tested in the past, but not by much. I really like the way they did this style and design on this body. Style and design on this is very nice. Did a really nice job on that. Looks really good. Tail clicky there. You got a 2-way clip on here, but you can remove it if you don't want it on there. Not too sure if you can stand, well, you can stand that on its tail if you wish. And the machining and finish on this is very nice. It's kind of a semi-gloss finish, as you can see. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at that smooth reflector. That's the Luminus SFT-25R LED. It's a great LED. I've seen them in many lights. Feels rugged. Nice, compact enough to carry this with ease. You can even tactically carry it if you need and use it. Alright, well now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the battery that it comes with. Tail spring there. Some grease there on the threads. You can use any kind of silicone paste if you want to redo it about once a year at least. Protection piece there. Save it. Comes in handy if you store the light for emergencies. Now here's the battery that it comes with, which is a 14,100 battery, which is basically 2 14,500s. There's the charging port there, And this is a 5 amp cell. This is protected. So 1800 milliamp is a lot of milliamp. But this being 1000 lumens, it's going to be great to see how this does. And we're going to go ahead and get this back together. And now let's go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward, just clicking that on, half press, or tap it if you want to go through those light outputs. Now let's take a look here at the beam. Let's go up to the next one. It's going to have a nice, really strong hot spot there. Spill areas, large, got a nice little cutoff there. Wow. That is a nice beam. So it looks like you can't do a full press to go through the modes. So it's just a half press or a tap. And that's all there is to this light. A lot of lumens, especially for a little light like this. Of course, it's going to cycle down due to heat, but in any case, you do have it if you need it, and the other light levels will do well for you. This has really good battery in it, so it should do well. My understanding, this can run on 2 regular alkaline cells, so that's always nice to have. If you need to charge this one, you can throw in other batteries as well. Well, let's wait no further. Let's take this P2 out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Klarus P2. Let's go ahead and get started on water spout. 38 feet from where I'm standing. 65 feet there, so that's good. There it is on the fence, give you an idea. This LED is amazing. 138 feet at the lowest light output. Spill area is pretty good for this level. Well, let's go ahead and go up to the next level. Sorry about that. It's making it even better there. That's 138 feet, 238 feet there. It's making that tree behind it. Now I have a link below my video showing my testing area out here. Should you have any questions or doubts, check it out. Tree line, fence line. Man, nice combination beam on here. Just making it to the school there, as you can see. Let's go to the next level here. Nice, look at that spill. This LED is amazing. Look at that, making both those palm trees. That's great. Man. Remember, this is more, just slightly thicker than a regular pen. And regular old Penlight as well. So this is very nice beam performance. See the playground across the park. There's the second one there. Tree line, fence line. Let's do a beam profile here. Man. Wanted over here on the farthest trees out here. Way out there. Pointed over here at the palm trees. Very nice. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Nice beam range on here. Now, I did go ahead and take out the battery because I was playing around with the one that's included, so it needed to be charged again. But I put batteries in here, just regular AA. Now the intensity of the light output is substantially less, but not horrible. So you can use, again, 2 AA cells, and they will provide you good runtime. Light output is going to be less, but you can buy a whole big box of them from Amazon. I use the Amazon Basics. Those are just fine, or the power cells. They've been really good for me. Now, if you are going to leave batteries in your light that are AA, don't use alkaline. If you're using them regularly, they're fine. But if you're storing the light with them, don't do it. If you're wanting to store the light, use a lithium one-time use battery. You can leave it in the light. They're not going to corrode it. And if they do leak, which I have only seen one in 25 years ever leak, and it was just a little bit around the edge. It didn't even get on the contacts. So that's the best way to store the light, and without destroying it with the alkaline leaking or something like that. Some of the best batteries you get on the market, Duracell, Energizer, they all leak. They're prone to leaking. But this here, very nice build quality on it. Not seeing any issues, no weak points. This LED is one of my favorite LEDs from Luminous because the range on it is so super focused, and it does well on very small reflectors like that. The USB port is on the battery, so you got to take it out. That's actually better because it keeps the light more sealed. The UI is very straightforward. Kind of wish that they had it to where you could pressure switch it, but it's not a con. Well, I want to thank Klarus for sending me this P2 to review. Now, if this light is something you are interested in getting, check out the link below my video in the description box area. I will have a discount code there as well, and that'll help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from Klarus, new that is, to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.